person in India suffers from loneliness. This was before the pandemic. With COVID-19, seniors have had to deal with the loss of their loved ones from afar, abuse due to growing dependency, abandonment, isolation thanks to quarantine and hospitalization, giving rise to fear, worry, and a sense of powerlessness. In our effort to take care of elders' physical health, we may have missed a huge problem that was staring at us. But that's where companies like Emoha Elder Care have stepped in to take care of the mental and physical well-being of our elderly. During the second wave, Emoha has helped about 3,500 people, all 55 plus, through their First Responders program.
Elders want to stay in their own home. Elders want to be safe and secure in their own home. And as we've seen in the last period of COVID and much before that as well, elders prefer that whatever they want, they can stay safe and secure and active and healthy in their own home.
In the pandemic, most senior citizens just wanted someone to be with them. Others wanted their friends and family to call, to talk because they felt trapped, frustrated, crippled by the fear of dying, or just worried about being isolated. Emoha offers paid medical and non-medical care to senior citizens in their twilight years. They realized they had to keep seniors gainfully engaged. How did they do it? Music, yoga, dance became a powerful bridge to keep them connected to the outside world. On the one hand, millennials were suffering from Zoom fatigue, but on the other, the elderly were attending virtual Diwali and Holi parties, Bollywood retro nights, Antakshri and Shero Shairi evenings. From showing off their gujiyas and some dance moves on Holi to unboxing their Christmas presents and putting on some Santa hats, the sheer joy on their faces has been priceless for Emoha. Masked up caretakers have delivered as many as 600 parcels on a single Christmas day.
So COVID-19 in its first avatar in March, April 2020 really changed the landscape for elders in the country. Before that, for about 7-8 months, we were taking care of our own community members in their own home, doing community functions, activities, events and so on. But the moment COVID hit, everything had to pause. So we had to literally reinvent the delivery mechanisms. And for all our elders, we launched a program called the Elders First program, where 2,500 volunteers became part of the Emoha community. And we served more than 3,400 elders across the city, taking care of everything from medicine requirements to groceries to emergencies, hospitalization and so on. So the Emoha team is a very dynamic team. We have the ground team, which consists of responders, primarily paramedics who come from medical background, and ex-defense force people who are the backbone of the company. These are people who are located in hubs in the city and at strategic locations so that they can reach the elders' home in case there is an emergency. Besides the ground team, we have what is called as virtual daughters, which is what I call as the air team. And the virtual daughters call in to the elder on a daily basis.
This is an unusual time. Seniors have lost their partners or younger family members. They've been away from their children for far too long. But Emoha's virtual daughters or caretakers call them multiple times a day just to check in on them or to help them connect with their children living abroad. This, say seniors, have helped them get through these difficult times.
So the fact that every day, every single day, our virtual daughters were checking for symptoms of our elders meant that, in the second surge, the most important thing was that we should not have even 1 day delay in case a symptom comes in. Because a delay could lead to a potential situation where the person may need an ICU or an oxygen or anything like that.
While these programs have kept their negativity at bay, Emoha has not forgotten the importance of taking care of elderly's physical health and keeping them safe from COVID-19.
So Emoha started with this notion that it's not just about healthcare. Healthcare is very important. Healthcare is pretty much the reason why a lot of elders have difficulties are around health. But the secret to this whole thing is that your mind is also extremely important. If you feel good, if you feel confident, if you feel loved, cared, and if you have a purpose in life, a lot of these challenges become something that you can surmount in a much better manner. And in the second wave, we saw that happening. We saw a lot of elders who were connected, who come in the online communities, who always had the confidence that इमोआ है ना, मतलब they can call on to the doctor at any point of time. They have friends who they can reach out to. You're not alone. There is somebody who's there to help boost you in all the support systems that is required. And the feeling that there's somebody there. There's somebody who's going to be coming for your rescue.
आएगी तो चलिया